Using K518 PRO and SGW 12+8. Program Smart Key for the 2022 Maserati Ghibli. Now let's have a look. The 2022 model. The production date is 2022. Now we're going to program it with our devices. Connect SGW 12+8 to the car. Let's open this. Take a look what is inside. Tiny and convenient. 2 ports. Now we need to find the security gateway connector, pull them off, and plug it into our SGW adapter. There are 2 ports, which are pulled off from the gateway. Here, take it off and connect it to our adapter. The gateway adapter setting is completed. Alright, now let's hook it up. The 2 ports have been connected. Okay, when a user utilizes our connector, you may think to do 1 port connection. We're making 2 connections here. Then connect the OBD cable. We connect OBD cable to our K518 PRO OBD interface. Plug it in. After plugging, we can start the key programming. Delete key and all key loss program. Let's operate the K518 PRO. This is the original car key. This is our new key. Okay, choose Maserati in IMO and remote. Choose Ghibli by vehicle type. From 2016 to 2021. In fact, 2022 and 2023 models also support. And then we choose Backup IMO Data OBD. This function can read vehicle EPROM data and save it. Turn off the ignition. The ignition switch is off. Turn on hazard lights. The hazard light button is in front of the gear stick. Hazard light has been turned on. It's passing safety certification. Enter the file name to save. Maserati 2022. Click OK. Save the EPROM. We perform the delete smart key function. Or add smart key. We choose to delete the key first. Choose the file we previously saved. Click OK. 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 Please connect our device to the OBD port of the car. Our device has connected OBD interface. Click OK. This function will delete all registered keys. Confirm to continue. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the hazard lights. If hazard light is off, then needs to be turned on. Click OK. Key deleted successfully. Now we add the key. Again, select this file. Connected normally. Make sure the ignition switch is off. Keep the key to be programmed in the car. Now let's take this new key out, and then we keep the original car key. Click OK. Press the unlock button. Hit the unlock button. Click OK. The key is programmed before it's attached to the ignition button. That's an easy programming for the original car key. Press one button and automatically programmed. We program the new key next. Add smart key and select the same saved file. Take the original key out. Press the lock button. We got 30 seconds to attach this new key to start button. The adding key programs have been completed. Using K518 PRO with SGW12+8 adapter. Program the key to the 2022 Maserati Ghibli. Successfully. Now let's try if the remote function. Original car key unlock and lock. Start the engine. Okay, start normal. Okay, now let's try the new key. Lock and unlock. Start the engine. Hit the brakes. Normal startup, adding and deleting. The 2022 Maserati Ghibli Smart Key via K518 PRO has been programmed successfully.